Doing a dryer vent replacement. You can see here, this is sitting on a pipe. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna fix it. Goes up to the dryer, obviously, up to the first floor. I don't know if you can see it. Let's grab one of these lights from Home Depot. These are the best here. Let's turn this bad boy on. Position it on the table. There you go. If you're looking for a work light, you got to grab those. They work great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, obviously clean out whatever's in here. I can feel there's some lint buildup. And we're going to replace the vent with one of these here. All right. Stay tuned. And I will show the finished product. Let's see what we have in here. This thing is going up and down, so it's got to be secured. All right, leave that like that. Now we can clean that out too. All right. It's very important you clean out these dryer vents at least every 6 months to a year. You have hot air hitting cold air, building up condensation, moisture. See what this one looks like inside. There you go. This one's clogged up with some lint. You got it built up in here. This is only a 2-foot section, so I'm going to clean this pipe. Usually I would replace it if it were over that. But this pipe is getting replaced, this whole mechanism. But this, definitely a fire hazard. Got to keep it clean. Not to mention animals, they could sit up there and nest. All right, let's put in the new one. Clean it all up and we're good to go. All right, we're outside on the other end of this dryer vent. It's an older vent. They actually have it, a panel of the window cut out. It looks like a little piece of panel here. So we're gonna take this out. I unsecured it in the basement. It's only held on by a little nail. Let's take the nail out. We'll just slide this out. Okay. Look at this. That's why you have to clean your vents. That's a fire hazard. You could see some debris in there from probably, I don't know, it could be a mouse. But this is wide open. A lot of air goes in too, creating that moisture. And it's just not a good thing. So you want to replace them. They're inexpensive. You want to just clear this out. Okay. And we want to just take the new one. Nice little kit from Home Depot. And it's pretty basic. You want to slide it right in. Okay, this little grill comes off. And I'm going to send a couple of screws in just to secure it. Let's see if I can do this while I'm holding the phone. Of course, I forgot the GoPro, but we'll try it this way. Okay, I'm going to secure it that way. That looks fine. Grab another one, make it look as even as possible. You're going to send another one in. Start off slow. There you go. Now you don't have to go fast. Do you need all 4? No, but you know what? Let's put them in. This makes it look uniformed. It looks nice. Not that anyone's gonna see it underneath the this area back here, but okay. They're gonna take, the most important part is the animal screen. It's got, let's see, it's got little hooks there to hang it on. And you got your little things on the ends on all 4 corners. You want to put it on here, pull down. That's pretty much it. Right there, it's on. So it's easy access off to clean. I recommend you clean this thing at least every 3 to 6 months. Come out, lift up on it, make sure it's all clean inside the vents. I'm gonna head down into the basement now to reconnect the hose, and we're all set. All right, well, this is it. It's finished. It's cleaned out. Bring that pipe, you know, bring it in. I'd say a good 4 or 5 inches if you have to. Yes, it is monster duct tape. It'll work. You can use the reflective tape for heating and air conditioning. This will work just as fine. All right, it's nice and clean. It's connected, and it's ready to go.